I'm Jeremiah Cottle from Slide Fire Solutions, President and CEO. What we have here is the Thureon Defense 9mm platform. It looks very, very similar to your AR-15 models, but there's a big difference here. You don't have your regular AR-15 upper receiver, and you don't have your mag well that has a conversion block to use the stick mags. This is a dedicated 9mm platform that has very, very similar dimensions, which allows us to use our slide fire system that we designed for the AR-15 and 5.56. Bring it right over, drop it on this Thureon Defense 9mm, and go out to the range and shoot a light recoil round that's also much less expensive than your rifle counterpart. One of the key things that we see on these 9mm and on the 22s and the calibers that have less recoil, you have to apply less forward pressure than you would with, say, the 5.56 or the AK-47. What you do is you just simply ease forward into it, and instead of applying 5 to 6 pounds of pressure, you'll apply about 3 to 5 pounds of pressure, which allows you to achieve an incredible rate of fire and just have a lot of good fun at the range. Well, I'll demonstrate this here for y'all real quick. Once again, you want to apply just a little bit of forward pressure. You don't want to muscle it too hard because the 9mm has a less recoil than the 5.56, but you can still achieve a lot of fun. There we go.